Okay, let's close our eyes. आंखें बंद कर ले. Take a deep, long breath in and breathe out. Breathe in once again and breathe out completely. Breathe in for Omkar. Breathe in. Breathe in. And relax completely. विश्राम करे. एक साधारण सांस ले और मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते बाहर छोड़ दे. Take one more normal breath in and breathe out completely. Slowly and gradually, whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Okay. So, few instruction for those people who are joining for the first time. Do as much as possible. जितना होता है उतना करो. Okay, it is first day. Okay, we'll start anyways with the basics, simple asanas and all. पर ये ध्यान रखना जितना होता है उतना करो. मुझ के बहुत ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा स्ट्रेच नहीं करना. Clear everyone? This is the first most important rule. And second most important rule is focus on your breath while doing the asana. The more you focus on your breath, it becomes easy to do asana. ठीक है, जितना आप अपने सांसों के ऊपर ध्यान देंगे उतना इजी हो जाएगा आसन करने के लिए. Whenever we go opposite to the gravity, जब भी हम ऊपर जा रहे हैं, कोई भी आसना में कोई भी गर्दन ऊपर लेके जा रहे हैं, कुछ भी ऐसा ऊपर जा रहा है तो हम सांस लेते हैं और नीचे तक सांस छोड़ते हैं. Anyways, we'll tell you breathe in and breathe out as well. ठीक है? And third most important rule, you have to keep smiling. Smile करके दिखाओ. Yes, very good. So should we begin? Yeah. So those who can sit in can sit in वज्रासन में बैठ सकते हैं. How to sit in वज्रासन? Like this. If you cannot sit, it is okay. आप नहीं बैठ सकते हो तो भी ठीक है. Loose fist in front of the shoulders, हल्की मुट्ठियां कंधों के बगल में. We'll do the भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम. ठीक है, आराम से करना है. Do not do extremely hard. What we have to do? Breathe in, take our hands up. Breathe out forcefully and take your hands down. In, out, in, out, in, out, in. 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 11, in, 12, in, 13, in, 14, in, 15. And relax and close your eyes. आंखें बंद कर ले. Observe your breath. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Keeping your eyes closed, let's get ready for the second round of the Bhastrika Pranayam. Bhastrika Pranayam के दूसरे राउंड के तैयार हो जाए. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. In Bhastrika, together, breathe in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 11, in, 12, in, 13, in, 14, in, 15, and relax. Vishram kare. Keep your eyes closed. Relax your hands. आंखें बंदी रखे, हथेलियां घुटनों पे. Observe your breath. Let's get ready for the third and the final round. तीसरे राउंड के तैयार हो जाए. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. In Bhastrika with full force and energy. Breath in, 1, in, 2, in, 3, in, 4, in, 5, in, 6, in, 7, in, 8, in, 9, in, 10, in, 11, in, 12, in, 13, in, 14, in, 15, and relax. Vishram kare. Relax completely. Take a normal breath in and breathe out. Slowly you may open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. And slowly you may sit in सुखासन. आराम से सुखासन में बैठ जाए. Keep your back straight. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी रखे. Breathe in. As you breathe out, start going left and right in the pendulum. पेंडुलम में लेफ्ट एंड राइट जाना शुरू करें. दोनों पैरों को नीचे ही रखें. Do not lift your legs up. Very good. Place your right arm on the ground and straight the left arm. Other side. Continue on the right and the left. बाहर की ओर खींचना है हाथ को. You have to pull your hand out. Very good. And relax. विश्राम करें. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in once again. And let's twist to the right side. Right hand at the back, left hand on the right side. Look back. Keep your back straight. Breathe in, come in center. Breathe out, go to the left side. As you breathe in, come in center. As you breathe out, go to the right side. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, left. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, right. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, left. Come in center and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep your hands next to your body. Breathe in, take your hands up, interlock your hands and stretch your hands up. ऊपर खींचे, पेट को थोड़ा अंदर कर ले, tuck your tongue a little bit in, keep breathing in and out. Breathe in. As you breathe out, go to the right side. जितना जा सकते हो उतना. बॉडी को झुकाना नहीं है सामने की ओर, जस्ट राइट में होना है. कम इन सेंटर एंड ब्रीथ आउट लेफ्ट साइड. Center. Now stretch up once again. Tuck your tummy in. Breathe in. Now as you breathe out, twist to the right side. Twist करना, right side में पूरा देखना है. Breathe in, center. Breathe out, twist to the left side. Breathe in, center. Relax your hands. Take your hands at the shoulder level. Fingers wide apart. उंगलियां दूर दूर. हाथों को ऊपर कर ले. And start rotating our hand. Very good. This is really good for our back. अपने रीढ़ की हड्डी के लिए बहुत ज्यादा अच्छा है. दिन में भी आप 3-4 बार कर सकते हो. If you are sitting continuously, take your hand little bit back. पीछे लेके जाए and keep rotating. Very good. And relax. Now rotate our shoulders. Breathe in, up, breathe out, down. Reverse. Relax. Let's rotate our neck. Take your neck down. Breathe in, come up from the right side. Breathe out, go down from the left side. Continue. आराम से करिए. Reverse. Come up from the left side, go down from the right side. And relax, विश्राम करें. Let's come into the cat position. Cat position में आ जाए. Very good. से कितना डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए पैरों और हाथों के बीच में? This much distance plus a little bit ahead. That's it. Our hands will be just below our shoulders. Knees will be just below our hip. A little bit distance in between hands and legs. Shoulder width distance. Very good. Breathe in, take your neck up, make a curve in the back. Back में curve कर ले. Pull your tummy down, tailbone up, neck up. Breathe out, chin to the chest. Make a hump in the back. Breathe in, neck up, make a curve in the back. Breathe out, chin to the chest. Make a hump in the back. सांस ले. गर्दन ऊपर लेके जाए, टेलबोन ऊपर, पेट नीचे, कर्व बना ले बैक में. Breathe out, chin to the chest. Like a hump on the back. Breathe in. Come in normal position. Now lift your left leg up. लेफ्ट पैर को ऊपर उठा ले बॉडी के लाइन में एंड लिफ्ट योर राइट हैंड अप एंड स्ट्रेच योर बॉडी. राइट हैंड को आगे की ओर स्ट्रेच करना है, लेफ्ट पैर को पीछे की ओर स्ट्रेच करना है. जितना हो रहा है उतना करेंगे. कीप ब्रीथिंग इन एंड आउट. रिलैक्स. राइट लेग अप, लेफ्ट हैंड अप. Keep breathing in and out. Stretch properly. And relax. Slowly go back and relax in Shishwasan. Shishwasan में विश्राम करें. Keep breathing in and out. Let's come up. Tuck your feet. Lift your knees up. And come little bit forward into Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to touch your feet on the ground. पैरों को पूरा जमीन से नीचे टच करने की कोशिश करें. पुश योर बॉडी बैक. अपने शरीर को पीछे ढकेले. छाती को नीचे रखे. आगे पुश करें छाती को. Now slowly walk towards your hand. Come into Hasta Padasana. Keep your back straight. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी रहनी चाहिए. पैर को थोड़ा सा मोड़ सकते हैं. You can bend, micro bend your legs. Breathe in, take your hands to the half. आधे तक अपना हाथ लेके आए. सामने की ओर स्ट्रेच करे. Keep breathing in and out. Breathe in, come up. Stretch up, bend back, and relax. Let me just adjust the camera. Very good. Now you may start walking. चलना शुरू करें. Very good. Now, while we are walking, you want to lose little bit the muscles on our hip. You want to relax the muscles on our hip and all. So just focus in this area. ये area में focus करना है. Lift your legs little bit up and elbow to the knee. Opposite. Very good. Keep breathing in and out. One more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep walking. Now make some distance. Throw your hands out, the gorilla walk. Lift your legs up properly and go a little bit down. थोड़ा नीचे झुके. Keep breathing in and out. And relax. Keep walking. and relax. Now stand straight. Now what we have to do, we have to open up the right side of our hip. So what we can do, put the left hand on the hip. As you breathe in, you have to take our right leg to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now other side. 1, 2, जितना था उतना. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax, shake your legs. Very good. Little bit distance in between the legs. Hands on the hips. Rotate your hip. Breathe in as you come forward. Breathe out as you go back. Reverse. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Now let's do the Vrikshasana. Vrikshasana करेंगे. How to do Vrikshasana? Stand straight. बिल्कुल सीधा खड़े रहे. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. With the next breath, lift the right leg. Keep the right foot on the left thigh. Focus at one point to balance your body. कोई भी एक पॉइंट की ओर सामने फोकस करे, आपको इजी रहेगा बॉडी बैलेंस करने के लिए. Now breathe in, take your hands up. In Namaste position. Namaste position में हाथ ऊपर. Tuck your tummy a little bit in and stretch up. एक पॉइंट पे फोकस करें. कहीं बैलेंस नहीं हो रहा है, you can take a support of a wall. It is okay. आप कोई भी दीवार का सपोर्ट ले सकते हो. Keep breathing in and out. Slowly as you breathe out, take your hands down. सिर्फ हाथों को नीचे लाना है. Then take the leg down. Do not be in a hurry कि हाथ पैर दोनों नीचे जोर से रख दिए. पहले हाथ नीचे आएगा, फिर पैर नीचे आएगा. Okay, now with the left leg. See, आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, डिफिकल्ट हो रहा है, you can take the support of a wall. It is okay. Breathe in. Left foot on the right thigh. As you breathe in, hand goes up. Stretch up. Focus at one point. Tuck your tummy in. एक ही पॉइंट पर फोकस करें. Keep breathing in and out. Breathe in. As you breathe out, slowly take your hands down. Slowly take the leg down. You may shake your legs. Now make some distance. थोड़ा सा distance बना ले पैरों के बीच में. Very good. Both the legs facing the front side. What we have to do, breathe in, go down, take our hands up and relax. 2, 3, थोड़ा अच्छे से नीचे जाए. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10. And relax. Shake your legs. अगेन मेक सम डिस्टेंस, दिस टाइम मेक इट लिटिल बिट मोर, थोड़ा ज्यादा बना के रखे डिस्टेंस. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. या वेरी नाइस. सी दिस इज 90 डिग्रीज, थोड़ा ज्यादा डिस्टेंस रहेगा. नाउ फेस द राइट लेग टू द राइट साइड, लेफ्ट लेग लिटिल बिट इन, as such that it should not skid behind. Okay, breathe in, take your hands up, face the right side. Now just bend the right knee, सिर्फ राइट घुटने को बेंड करना है. बॉडी विल बी देयर ओनली, बॉडी आगे पीछे नहीं हो रहा है, बॉडी वही की वही पे है, पेल्विक के लाइन में. एंड योर नी इज नॉट क्रॉसिंग योर राइट फुट, राइट नी इज नॉट क्रॉसिंग योर राइट फुट. पैरों की उंगलियों के आगे घुटना नहीं जा रहा है, वो देखना. कभी जा रहा होगा तो पीछे का पैर थोड़ा और पीछे करो. कीप ब्रीथिंग इन एंड आउट. Breathe in, come up, relax. Other side, left side facing the left foot, right leg little bit inside, facing front. Breathe in, take your hands up, look at the left side, and remember, just bend the left leg, left knee. सिर्फ घुटना बेंड करना है, बॉडी वही की वही पे है, बॉडी आगे नहीं जा रही. हाँ, वेरी गुड. पीछे का पैर बिल्कुल सीधा. कीप ब्रीथिंग इन एंड आउट. Breathe in, come up, and relax. Relax your legs. Shake your legs. Very good. Stand straight. Breathe in, take your right hand up. Stretch up. Look up at the right hand. Drop your left shoulder. दाएं हाथ की ओर देखना है और बाएं हाथ के कंधे को ढीला छोड़ दे नीचे. Keep breathing in and out. Breathe in, come up. Relax. Left hand, breathe in. As you breathe out, drop the right shoulder down. Look up at the left hand. Keep breathing in and out. Breathe in, come up and relax. विश्राम करें. Now, घुटनों का कोई प्रॉब्लम है, you can avoid this. But others, they can do. Hold your ears. कानों को पकड़ ले. You will do 5 sit-ups today. First day है, आराम से कर रहे हैं हम सब, कोई चीज आराम से कर रहे हैं. We'll do the 5 sit-ups. Now make sure you have proper distance in between the legs. And while doing sit-ups, you keep your back straight. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and just go down and sit in Malasana. Malasana में बैठना है. Stretch. Keep your hands in between your thighs. And with your biceps, push your legs outside. Keep your back straight. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आसन है ये, बहुत अच्छा आसन है. Keep breathing in and out. हाथों को बाहर नहीं रखना है. Keep it inside. And keep breathing in and out. Breathing right hand up. Relax. Left hand up. Relax. Right hand up. Relax. Left hand up. Relax. and slowly sit down. आराम से बैठ जाए. Now keep your legs in front. दोनों पैरों को सामने की ओर कर ले. Sit straight. Bend the right leg. Hold the right thigh. Take it closer to your body and stretch the right leg up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And relax. Other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Both the legs. दोनों पैर. Go a little bit back. Lift the legs up. थोड़ा पीछे जाए to balance your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Keep your legs in butterfly position. Feet closer to the body. Cross your hands. Hold your feet. जितना पास कर सकते उतना पास कर ले. Adjust your body properly. And let's start flapping the legs. With a big smile on your face. चेहरे पे एक बड़ी सी मुस्कुराहट. थोड़ा देखना और ऊपर जा सकता है क्या? Very good. Relax. Take your legs a little bit forward. आप पैरों के आगे लेके आए. Breathe in. As you breathe out, go down. Bend forward. You have to bring the chest down. Remember this thing. Keep your back straight. अपनी छाती को नीचे लेके आए. Keep breathing in and out. Breathe in, come up. Again, take the legs closer to your body. Let's do it one more time. Very good. With a smile. Smile के साथ करेंगे. Relax. Now keep your hands on the legs. And breathe in. As you breathe out, push your legs down and little bit bend forward. Keep your back straight. पैरों को पूरा नीचे push कर दे. This is really good for PCOD, PCOS. Strengthening the muscles near genitals. Breathe in, come up and relax. Now, take your left hand out. Keep the right foot on the left biceps. And right hand will go around the right leg and hold the left hand. कभी आप नहीं पकड़ सकते हो, you can hold like this. It is completely okay. Keep your back straight, रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी, and start swinging your leg. Very good. Keep the leg closer to the body. पैर को शरीर के पास में रखें. And as you swing slowly, take your leg up. धीरे धीरे पैर को ऊपर लेके आए. बेला जी, come on, keep doing it. करते रहे. और थोड़ा ऊपर देखना. And slowly keep your leg down. धीरे से नीचे रखें. Other leg. Start swinging. Keep the leg closer to the body. Very good. Very nice. Slowly keep your leg down and relax. You must sit in Ardha Padmasana or Padmasana. Let me just adjust the camera. It will be easy. Ardha Padmasana या Padmasana में बैठ जाए. Yeah. How to sit? कोई एक पैर ऊपर, उसके ऊपर दूसरा पैर. दिस इज पूर्ण पद्मासन. कोई एक ही पैर ऊपर लिया, अर्ध पद्मासन. बैक स्ट्रेट, hands on your knees. We'll do Padma Sadhana asanas. This sequence is being designed by Gurudev Shri Shri Shankar ji. Okay? So what you have to do, breathe in, take your body back. Breathe out, bend forward. And let's rotate our body. Breathe in, come up from the right side. Breathe out, go down from the left side. Reverse. Breathe in from the left side, breathe out from the right side. Relax. Relax your leg and lie down on your tummy. अपने पेट के बल लेट जाए. Hands next to your body. Okay. Lie down properly. Adjust your cameras. Breathe in. Lift the right leg up in the air. बिल्कुल सीधा बाहर की ओर खींचे. Keep breathing out. जिसने आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का कोर्स किया हो वो इजी ब्रीदिंग ले सकते हैं. रिलैक्स. लेफ्ट लेग बिल्कुल सीधा ऊपर, 6 to 8 inches above the ground. Keep breathing in and out. Pull the leg out. And relax. Now make fist of your hands. हाथों की मुट्ठी बना ले, अंगूठा अंदर, पीठ अंदर ये ग्राउंड अपने जंघा के नीचे रख दे. Slowly as you begin with both the legs up. Keep breathing out. दोनों पैरों को ऊपर उठा ले. And as you breathe out, slowly relax. Keep your hands next to your shoulders. कंधों के बाजू में हाथों को रखें. elbows near the body. As you breathe in, lift your upper body up, come into Bhujangasana. Keep the navel on the ground, shoulders away from the ears. कंधों को कानों से दूर रखें. Engage your thighs and core muscles. Very good. Slowly as you breathe out, go down. Now, hands in front, हाथों को आगे लेके आ जाए. And as you breathe in, come into Superman position. Lift your upper body and legs up in the air. Like a Superman, Supergirl, keep breathing in and out. Viprit Shalbhasana. And slowly relax. Bend your legs. Hold your legs with your hands at the back. Now as you breathe in, lift your upper body and lower body up in the air. Come into Dhanurasana, the bow pose. Keep breathing in and out. And relax. Relax in Makrasana. कोई भी एक साइड मकरासन में विश्राम करे. जो पीछे का हाथ है सर के ऊपर रहेगा. रिलैक्स कंप्लीटली. कीप ब्रीथिंग इन एंड आउट. Slowly you will turn to your back side. अपने रीढ़ की हड्डी के बल आ जाए. दोनों पैर को सीधा रखे. हथेलियों को शरीर के बाजू में रखे. Breathe in, take your hands at the back, stretch back. ऊपर खींचे हाथों को. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Now as you breathe out, come into Naukasana. अपने हाथ, पैर और गर्दन एक लाइन में. Keep breathing in and out. बहुत ज्यादा भी पैर ऊपर नहीं करने. सी हाथ, पैर और गर्दन एक ही लाइन में आएंगे. Keep breathing in and out. Relax. Slowly come down. Bend the right leg. Hold the right leg with your hands and pull the leg towards your body. लेफ्ट लेग बिल्कुल सीधा जमीन पे, बिल्कुल नहीं ऊपर उठेगा. Breathe in. As you breathe out, lift your neck up. Try to touch the nose to the knee. And make sure your body is not falling on the right side. It is in center. Keep breathing in and out. Slowly as you breathe out, relax. Left leg. Hold the left leg. Breathe in. As you breathe out, lift your neck up. Nose to the knee. Make sure your body is not falling on the left side. It is in center. And relax. Both the legs, दोनों पैर. Pawan Muktasan with both the legs. All the legs. Pull them towards your chest. Breathe in. As you breathe out, take your neck up. You may roll your body up and down, giving a proper massage to your back. Relax your neck, गर्दन को नीचे रखिए and roll left and right with the smile. स्माइल के साथ करेंगे, बिल्कुल सीरियसली नहीं करना है. And relax. Now we'll do Sarvangasana. Now it might be difficult for a lot of people, तो जितना होता है उतना करेंगे. How do you do Sarvangasana? See, अपने हाथों को जस्ट अपने हिप्स के नीचे रख दे. Breathe in, lift your legs up near your chest, make them straight, and push your hip up and support your hip. Take your legs up, straight up. Apply the chin lock. पैरों को ऊपर खींचना है, अपने हाथों से सपोर्ट देना अपने बैक को. The whole weight of the body will be on your shoulders. Keep breathing in and out. सीधा ऊपर रहेगा, पीछे नहीं लेके जा रहे हम पैरों को, सीधे ऊपर. Keep breathing in and out. Slowly as you breathe out, take your legs down. धीरे धीरे नीचे लेके आए और बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे नीचे जाएंगे. And relax. Hands on the line of our shoulders. कंधों की लाइन में अपने हाथों को रख ले. Bend the right leg. Keep the right foot on the left knee. Left hand on the right knee. And twist the leg on the left side and look at the right side. नटराज आसन. पैरों को लेफ्ट साइड में ट्विस्ट करना है और हमें राइट साइड में देखना है. Now in this asana, the most important thing is that both the shoulders should be on the ground. दोनों कंधे जमीन पर ही होने चाहिए. कम वक्त में कुछ भी हो जाए. Breathe in, come up and relax. Left leg on the right knee, right hand on the left knee, and twist the legs to the right side. Look on the left side and make sure with both the shoulders are on the ground. दोनों कंधे जमीन पर ही होने देखना. कभी कंधे हवा में है कोई भी एक, तो आसना का कोई बेनिफिट ही नहीं है. Keep breathing in and out. Breathe in, come up and relax. And you may close your eyes. आंखें बंद कर लो 2 मिनट के लिए. Take a deep long breath in and breathe out. Breathe in once again and breathe out. लंबी गहरी सांस ली. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते बाहर छोड़ दे. Take a deep long breath in. Breathe out with a smile. Slowly you may turn to your right side. अपने दाएं बाजू करवट ले ले. Turn to your right side. And with the support of your left hand, you slowly sit up. धीरे से उठ के बैठ जाए. Slowly you may open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोले. Now let's do the Ardha Matsyendrasana. It is really good for your hormonal organs and all. Yeah, it is good for diabetes a lot. क्या करना है? लेफ्ट पैर को पीछे लेके जाए. Left leg on the right side at the back, and right leg will be up on the left side. Breathe in. As you breathe out, twist your body. Take your left hand around the right leg. Hold the right ankle. Look back. कभी आप नहीं पकड़ सकते, you can just keep your hand up. That is also okay. Keep breathing in and out. Breathe in, come forward and relax your hands. Other side, right पैर को लेफ्ट साइड में नीचे रखेंगे और लेफ्ट पैर को राइट साइड में ऊपर. Breathe in. As you breathe out, twist your body. Right hand will go on the left side. So you can keep your hand like this as well. कभी पूरा नीचे नहीं जाता है तो ऊपर ही रहने दो. नीचे आता है तो नीचे पकड़ना. Twist back, look back. Keep breathing in and out. Breathe in, come forward. Relax your hands. Relax your legs. Sit in Ardha Padmasana. One leg up or Purna Padmasana. Both the legs up. Hands next to your body. Breathe in. Take your hands up. In Namaste position, do not interlock. Just stretch up. Tuck your tummy in. Breathe in. Stretch up. Tuck your tummy in. As you breathe out, slowly take your hands down. Make a fist of the right hand, thumb inside. Hold the right wrist at the back from the left hand. पीछे पकड़ना है ऐसा. Breathe in, go back. Breathe out, bend forward. Take your chest down. जितना नीचे हो सकता है उतना नीचे आ जाए. योग मुद्रा. Relax in योग मुद्रा. Breathe in, come up. Relax your hands. Left hand make chin mudra, index finger to your thumb. Keep it on the left thigh. Right hand, first two fingers, make a gun. First two fingers in between the eyebrows. And close your eyes and just follow the instructions. Breathe in from both the nostrils. Close the right, breathe out from the left. Do it as slowly as possible. Breathe in from the left. Close the left, open the right, breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right. Close the right, open the left, breathe out from the left. Breathe in from the left. Close the left, open the right, breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right. And breathe out from the left. नेक्स्ट 2 राउंड्स डू इट ऑन योर ओन, अपने आप से करें अगले 2 राउंड। लेफ्ट से सांस लेंगे, राइट से छोड़ेंगे, राइट से लेंगे, लेफ्ट से छोड़ेंगे। 1 राउंड हुआ, ऐसे 2 राउंड करेंगे। 2 राउंड्स, स्लो डीप ब्रेथ्स। जितना आराम से करोगे उतना ज्यादा अच्छा है। आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस राउंड यू मे रिलैक्स। ये राउंड होने के बाद विश्राम कर सकते हो और आंखें बंद ही रखिए। जस्ट नेक्स्ट 2-3 minutes we'll just sit with our eyes closed and back erect. लेफ्ट से सांस छोड़ने के बाद विश्राम करें। रिलैक्स आफ्टर ब्रीदिंग आउट फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट। रिलैक्स योर हैंड्स। टेक अ डीप ब्रीथ इन and breathe out. Take one more deep long breath in and breathe out. Observe your breath. Take your attention at the base of your spine. अपना ध्यान अपनी रीढ़ की हड्डी के निचले स्तर पर। As you breathe in, take your attention from the base of your spine to the top of your head. सांस लेते लेते अपना ध्यान रीढ़ की हड्डी के निचले स्तर से अपने सर की चोटी तक लेके जाए। And as you breathe out, take your attention from the top of your head to the bottom of your spine. सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते सर के चोटी से अपना ध्यान रीढ़ की हड्डी के निचले स्तर पर लेके आए। Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings. अपने शरीर और वातावरण के प्रति सजग हो जाए। एक लंबी गहरी सांस ले और मुस्कुराते हुए बाहर छोड़ दे। Slowly and gradually, whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes. धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं। Good. How are you feeling? Put in the chat. कैसा लग रहा है? चैट में डाल सकते हो। I know for some people it is the first day, तो कुछ कुछ आसनास बहुत डिफिकल्ट हुए होंगे। It is completely okay. See, throughout your journey in the yoga, एक चीज का आपका ध्यान देना है। What is that? To be consistent. Every day आना ही आना है, come what may. Just join every single day. कभी आप ट्रैवलिंग भी कर रहे हो ना, सिर्फ वो आदत डालो जूम पे लॉगिन करने की, कि रोज आके क्लिक करके लॉगिन करो। फिर वो 5 आसन करते आए, 2 आसन करते आए, कि 10 करते आए, कि 50 करते आए, दैट इज irrelevant. Just make this habit of coming every day, waking up every day, joining every day. Good idea? Yes? कि वो आदत बन जाएगी ना, तो है ना, फिर बाद में कभी आप योगा क्लासेस में नहीं भी रहोगे तो आपको उठने की भी आदत रहेगी, और फिर वो टाइम पे आपको पता है अपने बॉडी को एक्सरसाइज चाहिए, योगा चाहिए, देन यू विल डू इट ऑन योर ओन एज वेल. यस, जस्ट मेक श्योर एवरी सिंगल डे कम व्हाट में आना है. ओके